Alright guys, let's quickly go through the assignments one by one. Now the first question says, use for loop to find the numbers between 1500 and 2700. So for x in range 1500 and 2700, and then the number should be divisible by 7 and the multiples of 5. So say if x is divisible by 7, that means x modulus 7 is equal to 0. That means when you divide by 7, we don't have a remainder. Okay, and the two statements are here. The second statement and multiples of 5. That means you can also divide by 5. You don't have any remainder. So x modulus 5 is also 0. Fine. So now we can print the numbers out. Print what the numbers x. So we can put those numbers on the same line with this command. So we'll say that's values. Now, okay. Second question is, return the longest word with its length, Java head and snippet. So at first, let's create a list of these items so that I can iterate through them. Junction. So that's bus stop. So say Java the first, the second is head, third is snippet. Fine, so we've created a list so I can iterate through those items. So you can assign this to a variable list A. So we want to iterate through that list, so we say that if x, okay, we need to create a variable longest to count the values for us. So now we can now put it as if x in list A of if x okay, I'm going to use for x in list A. That's a loop. So now we'll say for the first item, if length of the first item, which is length x, is greater than longest, then we create a new block. So then we now assign the new value for longest, that says longest is equal to len x, and also longest word, let's create that as longest word is equal to a string, new string equal to x actually. Fine, so we'll do that, and the longest word is given and the length of it. So we'll put it as, let's format using the formatting method, say longest word is, which is Longest word is longest word, and with length of longest. Okay, so that's for the second question. And the third question is, use the split method to separate words with with hash now. So the third question is, how these words apple, banana, cherry, and orange? So we're going to use the split method to separate them with hash. So in this case, we're having, this is a string. Let's say the words are joined together with hash. Let's say they are joined with hash. Okay, fine. So say txt is a variable, creating that and assigning it as variable. Fine. So the next thing we do is, just text is an object, a text string. So let's use the split method with hash in between. That's splits with hash. Okay, so split like that. Then let's put this in a variable. Text splits, text splits. So can now print this out as print txt underscore split. Fine, so that's it. So you can run the code now and see what we have. Fine, so that's it. Okay, the first part of the code, I did not format it well. Let's go back and do that. Yes, I need to put a space in between here. So this should have been, can use a formatting method. Use the formatting method. Okay, so let's create a space for us. We can run that again. What happened here? Okay, some editor completing error. Alright, so we have it now. Then we need to put something like a new line from here. After the end of the loop, so let's print a new line. Let's put a new line, and after here as well, we need to print a new line. Print a new line, so put this out together and we're going to have. So good, so the first answer is this, second answer is this, and the third answer is this.